if you're a person who tracks their steps, you know just how hard it can be to reach the recommended 10,000 steps a day. ABC7's Tyron Marshburn has simple tips to getting fit.
I always track my little steps.
In a study conducted by the University of Sydney, walking 7,000 steps a day reduces the chance of cardiovascular disease, cancer, dementia, and depression.
I feel like if you're actually moving around, you don't realize how much you're walking or how much you need to be able to walk at that long of a distance, but it's very important, I would say. Keeps you in shape, and I would say it keeps you young.
It's a matter of, trying to find time between getting home from work and cooking dinner and getting everything done that you need to do. Throughout the day, I can easily get to the 7 or 8, I think.
New Mexico State University public health professor Jagdish Khubchandani says setting small goals is more important.
Start with 500 steps, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. There is no need to say, today I'll jump into 7,000, and 5 days later, you're back to the normal routine. Make a goal that from tomorrow onwards, I will give myself 30 minutes, and I'll not care about my office, phones, work, TV, even family. Just give yourself 30 minutes, go out somewhere.
So whether you prefer dancing or gardening, just get out and move.
2/3 of the people in the nation are overweight or obese, and most of them are not getting the recommended physical activity.
I bike more than I walk, but the great thing about walking is it's so convenient. Yeah. You don't have to put anything on, you don't have to add just shoes, and then step out the door and you're ready to go. And so I think the convenience of it is something that really draws people to it.
So there you have it. If you want to kickstart your health journey, set small goals and be consistent. Reporting, Tyron Marshburn, ABC7.